What should you expect from your practice management software?
I think that we can all agree that a practice management software is the cornerstone or the foundation of our practice performance. I expect it to be indispensable, easy to use, efficient and effective to our everyday function. I want it to keep production high and collections healthy. I need it to be customized to our every function. I think that I see it as a pivot point as well to integrate things like digital radiography and imaging software as well as patient communications. These are all very important things that reflect the personality of my practice. I feel that it's key to our everyday use to make us profitable and productive.
Does your office do a morning huddle?
One of the most important things that we do in our office every day is a morning huddle with the entire team. That first 15 minutes starts the momentum of the day, of a successful day. But how do we gather all that information? For instance, that we meet goals yesterday, and what do we need to know today? Well, we have the huddle report. The huddle report gives us all that information in our fingertips. Simple things like medical alerts, patient balances, are we missing an email, or is there a birthday coming up? To things that are more important like, is there treatment pending? And those appointment notes for those new patients that need specific goals met, or that appointment note that helps personalize care. The huddle report is key to what we do every day. It allows every team member to feel prepared for a successful day. You know, I always look at the huddle as a way to seize opportunities. But first, those opportunities need to be recognized, and the huddle report does just that.
How do you measure your practice success?
Creating and maintaining a successful practice for me is constantly and continuously looking at practice trends as well as key performance indicators. But how do you do all that in just a short time? Well, we use the Dentrix Practice Advisor Report because in just a few seconds, I have all the information at my fingertips. Things like, what was the downtime in the hygiene schedule? What did the doctor produce per hour? What are the percentage of treatment plans pending in our files? All that I can look at what we did month to month. We can look at year to date, as well as comparing it with benchmarks in the industry. That is extremely helpful. We can look at charts with numbers, or we can look at colored graphs. Whichever you prefer, it really gives me a great feeling to be able to see the health of my practice or areas where I think I need to do better. It, in short minutes, gives us a pulse of where we are, and it's extremely helpful.
Have you found that practice management has helped your patient workflow?
The most enjoyable day in a dental practice is when a system allows for a clear, smooth running workflow. In fact, there's nothing better for a team when they feel that the busyness is taken out of their workday because everything is just running so smoothly. For me, an excellent program is one that has clear inter-office communication, that has chairside customizable charting for treatment plans, as well as real-time insurance information, like with e-services, that allows us to check real-time if that patient is actually eligible for insurance. You know, I also feel that an excellent program has patient communication confirmation so that your front desk team can actually focus on more important tasks like patient calls and customer service. That one-click insurance claim generator, wow, that's one of the most favorites of my patient coordinators because with simple attachments, they're able to accomplish so much and just in one click generate that insurance claim. For us, having a workflow and a smooth day makes practicing dentistry so enjoyable.